outcome wasn't the same, but you obviously you are on the other side of it, so you're going to see things a little bit different than the officer sees it. But the nice thing about a video is it shows everything unbiasedly.
Yeah.
So I spent a lot of time in those videos trying to kind of decipher what all happened there, what went wrong, what we could have done better, what you could have done better. Ultimately, just to kind of get a great understanding of what took place. So that day, obviously there was a dispute between you and KFC, which led to us getting there. I don't want to bore you with all this stuff because you lived it, but just so that you understand that I make sure that you agree that I remember it correctly, or at least I reviewed it correctly. The incident happened at the KFC. You guys somehow had some sort of issue with your order, for whatever that might be. That didn't have anything to do with the Ocala Police Department.
Yes, sir.
But your actions in the eyes of KFC warranted a call to us, so we end up there. Right, wrong, or indifferent, KFC decided they didn't want you on their property anymore. I'm sure after all this, you've spent some time looking into this. I would assume you have. You seem like a pretty intelligent guy.
Yeah.
Looking at the rights of KFC and looking at what they're able to do, and then probably, if I'm willing to guess, you probably looked into if the actions of the Ocala Police Department, as far as their ability to remove you from the property, was within their ability. And I'm going to tell you that it was. So,
your officer requested my identification before he told me I was trespassing. I was a paying customer. He didn't do an investigation to confirm if I was trespassing or not.
There's no confirm if you're trespassing. There's no confirming. You're on the property and you've been asked to leave.
But I had an incomplete. I mean, if you call me to argue, we can go to court.
Oh, no, I'm not arguing. I'm honestly, I don't argue.
I understand
I
that.
only speak the factual information that I have.
Well, let's go to court.
Want me to go to court?
Yes, let's go. I'm ready. I've dedicated the last few months of my life. I don't have nothing else to lose. My girlfriend's ready to go. I don't have shit now.
Okay.
So I'm ready to go. I already have the letter ready, drafted, to send to the DOJ. I'm like 3 days away from confirmation of having a lawyer. I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready. Your officer's fucked up, and you know that.
No, I disagree with you.
Your officer's fucked up. Your officer solicited a trespass warning. Your officers are on camera confirming that it's a civil matter. Your officers didn't document a search. They didn't document.
Mr. Lott.
Yes.
I hear you. Like I've read all this in your complaint. Like I understand your.
It's a systemic issue. It's not just your officers. But go ahead.
Let me ask you a question.
Listening.
Do you think that had you just pulled off to the side when KFC asked you to, you would have went to jail that day?
I ordered a prepaid meal.
I'm asking you a question.
It doesn't matter. I was a customer.
Let me ask you another question then, if you don't want to answer that one. Let me ask you this question. Do you think that the 11 times that the officers asked you to move out of the line, do you think throughout the time, if you'd have just moved out of the line, you would have went to jail?
You confirmed that you watched the video footage, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it not true that one officer was requesting identification and the other one was threatening to drag me out of my car and take me to jail if I didn't leave? I didn't have a chance to leave. If I would have left, your officers may have shot me.
Have you watched the videos? Have you watched the videos?
Did you guys receive my FOIA request, Captain?
Discovery, so your attorney would have been able to view all the videos with you.
My attorney removed herself from my case because she didn't want to file a motion to dismiss or an evidentiary hearing. Your officer forged my name on the trespass warning notice. It was never presented to me, and it was solicited after I was arrested. When he approached the KFC manager, he told her, obviously, I was arrested for trespass after warning. Would you mind signing this notice?
Mm-hmm.
The KFC manager admitted to slamming the window in my face. She admitted that I was a customer. She did not say that I broke any law. She never said that she asked me to leave the property. She said that she asked me to move to the parking lot. Your officers took it upon their own will to arrest me and then solicit a trespass warning.
Okay.
Your officer.
That you're telling me something that you are not fully understanding of.
Hey, Captain.
Unfortunately, I can tell
Captain,
just by listening to you.
I'm not from Ocala, Captain.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna give y'all everything I got, man.
Yeah, absolutely, and that is within your right. And it sounds like you have an attorney, and it sounds like I saw that you sent an intent to sue the city, which is well within your ability. All these things are fine.
Can you update me on my FOIA request?
Or agency, and we deal with these things every day.
I submitted a FOIA request 7 days ago. Can you update me on the?
Yeah, so it'll be fulfilled in the order that it was received. And to give you some rough idea, I think we had. Yeah, I can give you a very accurate one. So I got a report this morning. 490 public records requests within the last.
But it's about an officer that was recently suspended. Why is my case not being expedited? This is an officer that was recently suspended and accused of another excessive force case. Why is it not being expedited?
It doesn't work that way, unfortunately.
Why not? Is the officer still on duty? I haven't gotten any updates. I'm in fear for my life because I don't know if this officer is still out here.
I would try to assure you that you shouldn't fear for your life.
Why not? Did you see the part where your officer said that I didn't like white people and I was very racist? Or that I was arrested for trespassing because I didn't want to give him my identification?
I think that you're looking at it so one-sided.
It's not one-sided because I was a customer. I have a receipt.
It doesn't matter. You weren't a customer.
Can I ask you why all the charges were dropped? And why the prosecutor offered me a plea to apologize to your officers when KFC was the one who supposedly had me arrested? And then the charges were dropped a week later after your officer was suspended for another incident?
Yeah, I don't understand.
It's okay, Captain. Captain, listen.
You're not going to convince me.
I'm not trying to convince you. I want to convince the jury. I don't care about what you think no more. It's not about y'all now.
Biased position. I'm looking at it as facts, and that's it. What you did.
So why were the charges dropped, officer? Why didn't your officer go to trial? I was 2 weeks away from trial. Why were all the charges dropped? If I was what?
We don't have anything to do with that.
Why not? If you're going to be the main witness in the trial, your officers are the ones who arrested me.
I mean, the cameras are the witnesses.
Okay.
We don't need officers' testimony.
Okay, let's bring all of this into. I'm trying to go to trial.
You have a plan, and I'm really excited for your plan.
Okay.
But I just want you to understand that I strongly suggest that you watch the videos.
I've watched it. I've watched it hundreds of times. Hundreds of times.
Your own video or our videos?
I want all of your body-worn videos.
Right. If you put in a request, we'll fulfill it. There's no hold up on that. Okay. There's nobody even.
So what was your purpose of calling me today? Because you're not the first captain that's called me with the same, the same intent to tell me that I'm wrong, and I'm
not telling you that you're
That's
wrong.
What you're saying.
I'm trying to explain the facts to you.
I was expecting you to call me whenever you guys did call me. I was expecting you to tell me, y'all apologize for arresting me. Your officers didn't document the excessive force. It's a lot of stuff they didn't document.
It's all documented. There's a use of force report.
It's not an affidavit.
It's not.
They didn't document the vehicle search in the affidavit. A supervisor came to the scene after I was arrested and spoke to me. He agreed that it was a civil matter.
You understand how an law enforcement agency operates, and that's fine. I would be willing to explain it to you, but
Hey, Captain.
You have.
Hey, Captain. You gonna put your job on the line, man.
Oh, okay.
I'm not playing, man. I'm dead ass, y'all.
No,
You gonna put yourself on the line. You gonna put the internal affairs on the line. You putting the fucking, what you said, you the captain, so the chief is over you. He's on the line. Y'all fucking up, man. What was the purpose of calling me?
Well, you sent an email.
Okay.
You submitted a complaint reception. You wanted to discuss the incident. That's what I'm calling you about. But if you play back what you're recording right now, you'll be able to listen that you've kind of taken over this conversation. I'm trying to just state what we've done, what we're going to do.
You haven't said you've done anything. You haven't told me if the officer was being investigated. You haven't told me if the officers were still on duty.
You haven't had an opportunity to say anything.
Well, why has it taken me to send you an email for you to respond to my FOIA request or my complaint that I submitted on the 10th? It's the 6th now. It takes a month to respond to a police complaint with forgery.
Sometimes it does. Your complaint is no different than anyone else's complaint.
So did your officer not? Your officer didn't write arrested where my signature was supposed to be?
Yeah, on the trespass warning.
Is that not forgery?
No.
Why not?
Not at all.
It says signature of the I don't know, the arrestee.
Right. So you couldn't sign it because you're arrested.
Why could I not? Why? If they opened my door for the supervisor to speak to me, why couldn't they open my door for me to sign the trespass warning notice? And why wasn't the trespass warning notice documented in the affidavit at all? There are no witness statements.
Yeah. So, where do you want me to start? You said a lot. So the trespass warning?
It was forged.
Yeah, we don't even have to give you that.
Why not? If you're arresting me for trespassing.
What we have to do is tell you.
The restaurant has to tell me that I'm supposed to leave.
No, it doesn't work that way.
Why not? You're not. So you were working on behalf of KFC. It's okay, Captain.
I don't know the answers to some of your questions.
It's okay. It's okay.
I think that
I'm fishing. I'm fishing, okay?
Yeah,
if that's what you feel, I'm fishing.
I get it. And that's within your right. I just want you to understand that the statements...
Captain, y'all got a history of police misconduct. I've looked up almost every case I could find over the past few years. Y'all don't got 100% solid department, man. Y'all got captains and chiefs and shit, lieutenants and shit that's having to retire or be indicted and shit. Y'all chief just got fucking indicted like 2 years ago or something, man. Watch. You don't have to agree with me, chief. Once I get a legal team to look over all my paperwork, all my documents, and everything that
I think it's important that you do that just so you have a better understanding of everything.
You will be one of the first people I target, and I want your fucking badge. I want all y'all off that force. I promise you that.
Okay.
That's a promise.
Yes, sir.
I promise.
I kind of feel personally attacked.
It is personal. It is personal. That's why I've done all I did so far. I'm building a fucking solid paper trail. So when it's time, all you motherfuckers I watch. I promise, watch. It's okay. I'm calm. I waited this long. Maybe 2 more months and the ball will be rolling. Y'all got a lot of fucking... Y'all got a lot of road to catch up on. I don't know. Y'all got a lot of paperwork to do, man. Y'all better catch up on y'all paperwork before DOJ step in, man. You know you fucked up, Captain. Go clean up, man.
I'm actually closing this case.
Okay. I just know you getting indicted with the officers. I'm gonna pray for y'all, Captain. It ain't nothing personal between me and you,
You
man.
already
It's your
said it was
department,
personal. What are
man.
you talking
Yeah, but
about?
it ain't
You told me
you.
it
It's
was
your
personal.
badge. It's your department. It's because you
You
taking up for corrupt
literally just
officers.
told me not less than a minute ago that it was personal. You can rewind this back.
I know. I know what I said. I know what I said, but it's not just you. It's your department. If I was out here being a criminal and robbing and killing people,
well, there's more than just crimes.
okay, but y'all threatened to break my window if I did not exit the vehicle. Your officer didn't even tell me I was under
That's
arrest.
their lawful right to do.
They didn't tell me I was under arrest, Captain.
Well,
What do you mean, well?
you're still inside the car.
Okay. Okay. Just know every one of y'all getting depoed when it's time.
Deposition.
Yes, sir. And I'm gonna love every second of that shit, man.
Yes, sir.
I would give a kidney right now to watch all of y'all sit on that deposition and get interviewed, man. That'll make my fucking year, man. I'm crying right now thinking about that shit. You in trouble, Captain.
Okay.
Y'all better make it right, man.
That I can answer for you?
No, I want your city attorney.
That I can do, because I feel like you're just kind of saying things right now.
You didn't call me to discuss my case. You called me to tell me that your officers has the right to forge my signature. They have the right to tell me that I'm not under arrest. You're not.
Taking over.
You're not.
I'm not getting anywhere with you.
Why can't I take over now? All my charges were dropped. Am I a criminal? Was I convicted of trespassing and resisting without violence? A charge your officer falsified? You fucked up, Captain, man. Y'all better go look at that paperwork and them videos again, man. Before everything gets serious, man. Y'all better make it right before shit get out of hand.
So let me ask you this. Maybe I'll get a better understanding of what you're trying to accomplish. When you say make it right, how do you want the Ocala Police Department to make all of our, quote, shit right?
Fix y'all training and fire those fucking officers, man. What if they would have killed me that day? I got 3 kids right now, man.
No, they didn't.
But what if they did? What if I didn't open that door, man? What if I didn't open that door? What if I would have pulled off when he told me to leave?
They probably would have broke the window and drug you out of it.
Why? If it's a customer service dispute.
Why would you just listen to a lawful command? What makes you...
What made it lawful? What made it lawful? Did they tell me I was under arrest? Did they tell me I was being detained?
They told you...
Your officer asked me...
They didn't tell you that you were under arrest.
When?
They asked you to do simple things.
What simple thing did they ask me to do?
Situation. And you refused to do any of it.
Can you tell me what simple thing they asked me to do, Captain?
Unfortunately, doing so, you broke Florida state statute, and they did within their means what they're capable of doing, and they took you to jail.
So why was I not arrested? Why was I not convicted of trespassing? Your charges were dropped.
That has nothing to do with me.
The week of your officer being suspended.
Charges get dropped every single day.
But your officers don't get suspended every week that the charge gets dropped, does it?
It does. It really does.
Okay. You fucking up, Captain. I'm recording you too, just so you know, man.
Sir? What did you say?
You heard me, man.
Oh, I didn't hear you. I apologize.
Well, is the phone call finished? I think I got enough from you. I'd like to speak to the city attorney now so I can forward all this shit to the DOJ. Y'all fucked up, man. Y'all fucked up. I'm gonna be the first person in Ocala to get over $1 million from y'all dumbass. I know y'all fucked up.
Okay. Well, that also shows me that you are uneducated in that world.
Okay, I'm not educated. I didn't graduate high school. But I'm documenting everything.
I'm familiar, and I'm not saying that as disrespect. I'm saying that you're just not familiar with the way things work.
Okay.
And I think once you...
Okay. I know what a consent decree is. I know what a consent decree is.
View the videos.
I know what systemic failure is.
And systemic failure failure.
I know what it looks like when the captain takes up for his corrupt officers. That might mean the captain is corrupt too.
Yeah, okay.
You're gonna be depoted on the situation, Captain. They gonna ask you
And at that point, maybe I'll have an opportunity to talk.
Okay.
You know? And then when they ask questions,
well, you shouldn't have called me then. You should have responded in the email if you ain't want to hear my mouth. This all I'm gonna do.
Probably have been in, I don't know, 100, 200 depositions in my life.
Okay.
I know one thing for sure. When I get into that deposition, I'm going to have an opportunity to actually speak uninterrupted.
Okay.
So that will be nice.
You'll have a chance
but,
to.
I did email you, so you have my email, you have my contact information. If you have anything additional that you would like to talk to me about, if not, that's fine as well. I'm going to close this complaint at this time.
What complaint you closing? What complaint are you closing?
With this,
what complaint are you closing?
The complaint that you submitted to the Ocala Police Department on
April 10th?
On April 10th.
Oh, yes. Good. Thank you. Now I can send my shit to DOJ today. I'm done with you, bye.